in your water heater and talk about the general components, just letting you know how your water heater works and what does what. Well, this is your combustion air output from the tank. So your vent's going to come off of this. This is the cold inlet, and this is the hot output. As far as parts go, this would be your anode rod. It is designed. It has magnesium and other metals that are designed to pick up any calcium or anything like that, as you can see in this heavy corrosion around it. This is your combustion air vent, and here you have your water inlet and your water output up at the top, which is your shower. You have your shell, your foam insulation, and then the actual tank itself, the tank liner. In this particular, you can see the tank liner is going under some mild to advanced corrosion. We actually see worse in the Midtown Tulsa area, but obviously, this being something in the potable water system, we often recommend it be replaced at this point. This is your temperature and pressure relief valve, and your gas control valve, the busted out boiler drain. This is what I was mentioning, is often can be an issue with the faltering water heater is your gas control valve. It is also the thermostat of the water heater, so when you have issues with water temperature, it can often be something to do with that. Water heater is a complicated part of your system. You get high pressure, things like that. This particular tank had busted, but we see anything from gas control valves going out to temperature and pressure relief valves popping, things like that. A pretty wide variety of things.